Day one, and I've already cut myself. Oh, I got to bleed. I'm gonna start this off by building the K-member. Okay. So I already built this. I kind of jumped the gun. I'm not sure if I like it or not, but anyway, what I gotta do is build a jig from the old K-member, and then I've gotta integrate this to the jig. Then I gotta build mounts for the rack and pinion, and then I've gotta build some beefier mounts for the lower control arm. This episode is brought to you by the letter A. I started out with this cardboard. So my water jet guy cut it out of some wood and said, go test fit it. And I was like, okay, no big deal. And then he came back over and was like, hey bro, maybe this one will be better. And it was out of aluminum. So I brought this one home, and it was a little bit off, needed a little more tweaking. Needed a 100th thou added downward, which you can kind of see now. 100th thou and 100th thou. And then this radius I gave him was wrong. This is actually 1 3/8. I thought it was 1 1/4. Look at that fitment though. Damn. We'll hook them up to the rack and pinion and throw them in the jig, get them tacked up. So I got that all fit in, everything fits real nice. Took some measurements to make sure everything was in line. Oh, I can't wait to weld this. Look how neat of a joint that is. Got it all welded up. We'll test fit it in the car and see if it moved during welding. I think she's pretty straight. There's a slight crown in the middle, so everything fits real nice. The next step would be to build the mounts for the lower control arms. There's one on each side. And then there's actually a body mount underneath that I'm gonna tie into. I'm gonna fabricate some pieces that'll mount to that. There'll also be a mount that goes on top for the rear of the transmission. That'll probably be it for this episode. Thanks for watching, guys.